What's the deal, good people? Markel Hall coming to you live in the airport, Las Vegas. About to head back to jump on our flight. After spending a week out here in Las Vegas, I mean, literally had the time of my life. Wonderful, wonderful time. I'm actually here with a couple of my partners. Dwayne, shout out to the cameraman.
What's going on, everybody? We out here, man. Vegas was crazy. As you can tell, my voice is totally gone. It's lost somewhere. So I'm not even trying to find it. So it's all good.
Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Yeah, so on there you have it, guys. Straight from Vegas. We're about to hop on this plane. Hate to leave, but we got work to do to ensure that you guys don't miss the next opportunity to create these memories with us. Let's get it, baby. You should be here.